Rolling along, CNC group break 866. We're on to the 10-11 Protect the Cup tin. Redemption on back. Interesting. Base card number to 249 for the Detroit Red Wings. Henrik Zetterberg. We got a rookie patch auto number to 249 for the Minnesota Wild. Cody Almond. We got a beautiful 4-color signature patch numbered 8/75 for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Marty St. Louis. We've got a Trios jersey, numbered 20/25 for the Chicago Blackhawks. Tony Esposito, Doug Wilson, Bob Probert. Tony O, Doug Wilson, Bob Probert, 25. There it is. Numbered 5/33. 3-color rookie patch auto gold for the Florida Panthers, Jacob Markstrom. 5/33 rookie patch auto gold for the Panthers, Jacob Markstrom. That's a nice hit. That's somebody's spot made right there. And a redemption for a rookie patch auto number to 249 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Nick Leddy. Rookie patch auto redemption for the Hawks. And coming up next, the moment of truth, 0506, the Cup.